Returning to wealthy coin, howdy mate. In the year 2025, how much would 1 million Shiba Inu coins be worth? Information from SHIB. In light of recent developments, the long-awaited Shibarium is reportedly nearing completion of its development. The Shiba Inu team has announced the debut of their Layer 2 blockchain solution testnet, which has sparked excitement among crypto enthusiasts. The price of SHIB began to rise immediately upon the announcement of the launch of the Shibarium testnet. One reason the coin has done well is the increasing demand for it. As more investors buy Shiba Inu, they are preparing for the expected boom following the product introduction, which is why the demand is growing. The main issue with Shiba Inu, depending on the Ethereum blockchain, has been designed and developed into Shibarium. The blockchain solution will enable developers to build on top of the Shiba Inu ecosystem and power it. So it's one of the main uses for the Shiba Inu currency that keeps people coming back for more. Find out in this video what 20 million Shiba Inu coins will be worth in the year 2025. Some updates regarding SHIB. If you want to see more videos like this one, where we predict and analyze the prices of Shiba Inus, be sure to subscribe to our channel, share the video, and give it a thumbs up. We will start the video without further ado. There was a 31.2% increase in the price of Shiba Inu per CoinGecko over the previous 7 days and a 15.2% increase over the last 24 hours on January 17th. Among the top 100 cryptocurrencies, SHIB's price of $0.000012 has had one of the finest days, despite the fact that it is presently placed 13th in terms of market capitalization. The 24-hour trading volume of the meme coin also increases by approximately 200%, with the majority of these deals taking place on Binance and Coinbase. After the market leaders' rallies, altcoins typically see large price increases, as seen in past market cycles. Like Ethereum and Bitcoin, maybe because investors are putting their money into smaller assets after making a profit from larger ones. According to data from CryptoQuant, the volume of SHIB tokens put on exchanges saw a huge surge on January 10th, with over 14 trillion tokens being deposited. With today's price increase, it seems like holdings could be better put to use opening derivative positions than of selling them on the spot market. On the other hand, if the present price movements of the SHIB originate from the futures market, then it may encounter more volatility when long bets start to be sold. Shibarium, the Layer 2 network developed by the Shiba Inu team, will run on Ethereum as stated earlier this week. In their project introduction blog post, the developers admitted that although some saw Shibarium as a tool to pump up prices, it is not and has never been the project's objective. Will make the ecosystem's token transactions cheaper and faster. The price of Shiba Inus has risen dramatically so far in January. Even so, it's prudent to proceed with care, because the perfect bullish indications are not visible on longer periods. Investors are focusing on the Shiba Inu pricing because day traders have found multiple good opportunities due to the month's flood of volatility. The market is taking a short break, and the technical indicators are pointing north, while properly demonstrating grounds for skepticism regarding the uptrend's prospective longevity. The current market value of a Shiba Inu is $0.0000001037. An unusual circumstance is shown by the Relative Strength Index RSI, an indicator that gauges the possibility of a trend by comparing and contrasting prior pivot points. Overbought conditions were reached above the 70 mark during the recent surge, indicating that the indications are unquestionably bullish on the daily timescale. The spike barely budged the weekly RSI, which is a shame. The surge reveals a concealed bearish divergence while staying in the neutral zone. The market's early bulls may be subtly signaling their impending liquidation as they paddle towards a waterfall. This would mean that the current SHIB price is 25% lower than the recent origin point at $0.00000800 should it be challenged. Additionally, the smart money may be evaluating SHIB's future rally potential at the liquidity level above the concealed bearish divergence. If the price of Shiba Inu breaks through the support level at $0.00001516 USD, it might signal the end of the bearish thesis and lead to a surge towards the high reached in August at $0.0000001793, which would be a 75% gain from where it is now. A large number of people reacted favorably, praising Shiba Inu and even going so far as to say it was better than Dogecoin, the first meme currency that was created as a parody of Bitcoin in 2013. There appears to be no indication of a market reversal at this time, as SHIB continues its solid upward movement. Several updates pertaining to Shibarium and listings on a plethora of major cryptocurrency exchanges are likely the primary causes of such an unexpected surge in value. With more than 4 days of consolidation at the 200-day moving average, Shiba Inu has also been exhibiting breakout potential. This consolidation period may have served as an accumulation period prior to today's breakout. Nevertheless, David Gokhstein's previous tweets indicate that he alone owns Doge and Shiba Inu. We should expect to see the burning volume continue to rise if the current price movement continues to dominate the market. OK Coin Japan, a Japanese trading site, added support for the second largest meme coin by market capitalization value in early December. The platform is a subsidiary of the exchange situated in San Francisco. The most recent Shiba Inu Coin news indicates that the market is not expected to do much because the adverse tendencies persist. Recovering from this tendency can be a lengthy process for the sector. A massive crypto winter is still on the horizon, according to several experts. However, there are many who believe that investors will soon see better times. Price targets of 0.0000269 USD could be surpassed with additional push from projects like DAO, Shiba Inu Game, and NFTs, but normal market forces, such as buying and selling, may push the price as high as 0.0000000. Lastly, the price might drop to $0.0000102 if negative trends continue. Retail and luxury businesses are starting to adopt it more and more, which might lead to worldwide fame and an influx of wealthy consumers. As of right now, whales own the most, then retail and investors, and finally the surge influence becomes apparent. The amount that merchants have helped with, however, has been going up. Consequently, the SHIB price could reach 0.0000361 USD if there is a surge in purchase orders, but dwindling SHIB statistics and low volumes can send prices tumbling to 0.0000305 USD. The average price may find support at 0.00000 USD after taking into account the bullish and bearish targets. With any luck, SHIB will realize its ambitious goals and become a major player in the metaverse, which would lead to exponential growth for the company. One possible price point for SHIB is $0.0000437. An average price of $0.0000007 might be achieved for SHIB if the market responds as expected with buyers and sellers. Concerns about false positives and unfavorable feelings could lead to a price drop to $0.0000318 if investors are unable to maintain the digital asset's liquidity on exchanges. The current 87% decline from the Shiba Inu price prediction's all-time high of $0.000000845 is distressing. But if the bulls step in, the Shiba Inu price can reach a realistic high of $0.0000259 before the end of 2023, according to Coinpedia's Shiba Inu price projection. The price of meme coin could enter a bearish hook and strike bottom at $0.0000112 if it succumbs to negative tendencies driven by significant liquidations. The network enrolled the subsequent token, Leash, after SHIB. The network swiftly transformed from its original rebased token form into a fungible one. There is a fixed quantity of 100,000 tokens at the moment due to the keys being burned. Since Ethereum powers the network, it is extremely safe. Even if it is still in the market as a development project, we may anticipate that Shiba Inu will share in the benefits of Ethereum's planned move from POW to PO's consensus mechanism. Uniswap, Binance, KuCoin, Wazirx, India, and Coinbase Pro are among the prominent exchanges that list the altcoin. Thanks for stopping by today. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more like it, subscribe to our channel and give us a thumbs up.